All right, so you want to be an owner-operator. You got to know how to diagnose and fix your own stuff, because this would have been like a $600 to $1,000 probably service call. During that snow last night, I lost my 4-ways and turn signals. Well, when the bumper got nailed, it bent the bracket, and the bracket ended up rubbing through 2 wires, which I fixed. But then I still didn't have power. Even though I was resetting this little relay, it must have got hung up inside. Let me switch it. This little relay inside here, a yellow one right there, got hung up inside and wasn't resetting. So I basically had to do some troubleshooting and make sure I had power there, which I did. So I put a fuse in there and it works after I fixed the wires outside. So I whacked that relay a few times and it's working again. Well, not really a relay, that's a breaker, I mean. Now, for things you should look for in older trucks, like this, the main power to the feed box. You see that? That's bad. That'll fry everything in here. That's a big wire. I'm going to electrical tape that and zip tie that up. I have no idea where my zip ties are, but there's, yeah, some things I should be looking at. I also noticed when I was down there in the front that there are some hoses rubbing through the coolant hose and stuff like that, and that's brand new coolant hose. So just keep an eye on stuff when you're an owner-operator. Little things like this will cause you big, expensive problems.